So one of my very favorite tools in QuickBooks with the new AI services is entering bills right into QuickBooks. So all I do is I go to the plus sign, I hit, okay, I'm going to add a bill. And then we've got a bill for a background check. And so all I have to do is drag it from the email. I just took it from the email that the vendor sent it to me, and I dropped it in. And this one, it just does all the work for me. And there it is, the whole thing. So all I have to do is double check it. If the amount's correct, it's going to the correct account, invoice, the bill date, the due date, and then I save and schedule the payment. And since this is a duplicate bill, because I've already entered it once. But isn't that nice that it lets me know that this, if I'd already done it, submit the bill for approval. So I submitted it in my case. I also approve the bills. So then I hit approve. And we are done. It tells you right here, this is a bill pay ACH. It goes, ACH goes to him. And I can save and schedule the payment, and I can see, oh, this, I might actually give them a second payment. I might stop this really fast. So the withdrawal date is today, and they get the money on the 22nd. So that's how easy it is. Hope you try this and enjoy it as much as I have.